Hey, wait. Oh my God. Wow. Who cooked this one? It will be you soon. Hey, OFADA sauce, let's get it. Hello loves, it's your favorite girl, the cooking angel, and today we're making red OFADA sauce. So pour your bleached palm oil into a pot. It doesn't have to be this bleached, right? I just forgot the pot on fire that day, but irrespective, then moving on, we're gonna add iru. I usually add lots of it, but if you don't like iru, you can just add little or not at all. Then you go in with onions and make sure they fry very well before you now come in with your red rough blended tomatoes and pepper and all of that. The mixture, the ingredients for this particular mixture will be in the description box, so check it out. So you're going to mix everything and make sure they combine with the oil, but at this point you're going to be adding water because it has dried, because I boiled the pepper before I added it here. So you're going to add water. If you don't add water, your sauce will be too thick really, and we don't want too thick sauce. We just want a little bit watery. That's why you're going to need water. So mix that, and then it's time for us to put in the seasoning. You start by adding crayfish seasoning, then you come in with salt, then you're also going to come in with beef seasoning or chicken seasoning, which really anyone that you have. Also, crayfish is very important, so please don't skip this step. The ingredients are going to be in the description box, so check it out, right? I got you guys covered. Now cover your pot and let it boil for a while before we now introduce our protein. So this is a mixture of assorted ejakika, that's basically panla fish, basically a lot of intestine, all those parts inside the, cow or big goat, whichever one. So that's what I added in here. Then you're going to mix it and let it boil for some time. After you let it boil, then you just come, make sure everything is tasting good, mix it. See, this thing does not even take time. Like, as far as you have all your things prepped down, it doesn't take time at all. And obviously, we know that eggs are important for OFADA sauce, so add eggs, right? So, guys, after this step, your sauce done ready. We'll chop them with OFADA and plantain. Oh my God, it's gonna be very tasty, right? So guys, this is really how to prepare OFADA sauce in the simplest and shortest, video possible. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would you be making this? And do you think it's a really nice recipe? Do you like OFADA sauce? I want to know what you guys think about this particular sauce, or what you guys think about this particular food. But yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it really helps me a lot. I love you guys, and stay tuned for more healthy and delicious recipe. Cooking Angel signing out. Bye.